Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to change a battery in smart car. It is the same on 450 and 451 models and gasoline and diesel engines. So remove the carpet, remove this out, take this out, footrest. Okay. Now you have here is a 13mm or a 10mm bolt, and here as well. It is on the upper side, on the side. First you have to remove the battery holder, which has a styrofoam or anything, so it doesn't get to the minus, but it doesn't matter because anyway this is ground, so it isn't important even if it touches the minus. Here we have also 10mm bolt. Undo it, remove this on the upper side, remove this to the side, undo this bolt, take out the battery, charge it, replace it, whatever, put it back in, put everything back as it was, and footrest, carpet, and that's it. Thank you.